Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to Food with Dev. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a recipe for fish sauce wings without batter. I also have another crispy fish sauce wings video, which I will link it if you are interested in that. Here are all the ingredients you'll need. You'll need 1 to 2 pounds of chicken wings, 1/3 cup of water, 4 tablespoons of sugar, a half tablespoon of MSG, 2.5 tablespoons of fish sauce, half of a lime, 8 cloves of garlic, and 1 Thai chili pepper. Before we get started, I would highly appreciate it if you hit the like button to support the channel, and consider subscribing for more Vietnamese recipes like this. The first step is to make the sauce. Using a pestle and mortar, add in the garlic, the pepper, and the sugar. Then pound it until it turns into a paste. We added the sugar so the garlic and pepper does not make a mess. And this is how it should turn out. Next, in a bowl, add in the paste of garlic, pepper, and sugar. The 1/3 cup of water, the 2.5 tablespoons of fish sauce, the half tablespoon of MSG, the lime juice, then give it a good mix. Step 2 is to boil the wings. This step is optional as you can just jump right into frying it, but boiling the wings before frying ensures the chicken is fully cooked and it's slightly healthier since it reduces the amount of time spent in oil. After about 2 minutes, drain the water and rinse the wings. Step 3 is to fry the wings. In a pan or wok on high heat, add in enough cooking oil to submerge the wings. Then reduce the heat to medium-low and add in the chicken wing. Since we did cook the wings earlier, we don't have to fry it for long. Flip it when you see a nice golden brown color. It should be done after about 2 to 3 minutes. The last step is to flavor the wings. In a pan, add in the sauce that we made in step 1. Add in the fried chicken wings. Then mix it around so the wings are glazed in the sweet and savory sauce. You can add in jalapenos to spice things up a bit. And that's how you make a nicely glazed fish sauce chicken wings. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Now it's your turn to get cooking.